What inside this bottle will change how you look at salad forever. So let's unwrap the wildness. Think chewy, nutty, toasty, sweet, creamy, crunchy, all the moods in one bowl. Today we are making most unexpectedly delicious salad you have ever had. It's a delicious mix of wild rice, roasted pumpkin, crunchy almonds, sweet cranberries and creamy feta, all tied together with a tangy balsamic vinaigrette. Hey there lovely foodies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Pallavi and I make tasty, healthy and sometimes downright dramatic dishes right from my kitchen. Before we start this wild recipe, please subscribe to my channel so that you never miss an update. Let's go! Try this salad. If your taste buds are dancing right now, then imagine what will happen when you actually eat this. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a big like and comment below how you like it. Stay wild, stay crunchy and keep that feta crumbling. Bye bye.